First, we load an empty project which has already been set up in Semantic.RK for this demo. Then, we proceed by opening the Sheet2RDF plugin of Semantic.RK. In this case, a SKOS Excel project has been created, and a SKOS scheme is being selected for showing its corresponding concept tree. Here you may see the content of the Excel file that will be imported. The file is thus chosen through the Select button, and its content is imported inside the system through the Load button. A preview of the datasheet is being shown on the left panel. You may see the column names which represent the different properties of the concept to be imported. Now we resize the panel to leave room for the intermediate step of the RDF transformation process, the creation of a paired document. Just appeared on right after clicking on the Generate Pair button. The generated pair is only a guess on how the transformation should behave, based on heuristics associated to the names of the headers of the datasheet. So we have applied a convention over configuration approach in order to fill the document as much as possible and reduce human intervention up to a minimum. As you have seen, the document can be saved and reloaded in the future, so that the applied modifications are not lost in case of future reuse. In the bottom panel, a sample of the data is being shown to the user. You may see an alternation of green and white lines. Contiguous lines with the same color represent triples originated from the same row in the datasheet. So, you might see the correspondences between the entities and values in the source datasheet and their RDF counterparts, which have been in turn bound through triples specified in the graph patterns of the pair rule. Now, we are going to push the Add button in order to confirm the addition of reduced triples to the project dataset. This warning message has been generated by a posteriori consistency and integrity checks performed by the hosting application Semantic.RK, in order to avoid that the generated content is, for any reason, not displayed to the user, or even worse, invalid with respect to the adopted modeling vocabularies. Here we are having a tour of the produced SKOS concept tree, visible on the standard SKOS panel of Semantic.RK. We are exploding now the description of a concept on the concept editor, and we can see the produced labels and the relationships, both explicit and inferred in a lighter shade of color, with the other concepts. After closing the concept editor, we will activate the human-friendly view, which is based on labels available on the preferred language chosen by the user.